The hidden dangers in your instant ramen. Love instant ramen. That quick, cheap, and tasty meal might be doing more harm than you think. Let's break down what's really inside those noodles and their soup, and why eating them regularly can be bad for your health. First, let's look at the noodles themselves. They're made of wheat flour and modified starch plus palm oil, salt, and preservatives like tocopherols and maltodextrin. Refined wheat flour spikes your blood sugar fast. Bad news if you're watching diabetes or insulin levels. Palm oil is high in saturated fats, which can increase your risk of heart disease. Maltodextrin may sound harmless, but it's a highly processed sugar that can also spike blood sugar. Next, the soup base. Here's the scary part. It contains sugar, monosodium glutamate, MSG, disodium inosonate, disodium guanylate, and even caramel coloring. MSG may cause headaches or nausea in sensitive individuals, and frequent consumption has been linked to obesity and metabolic issues. Added sugars in the soup can contribute to weight gain, high blood sugar, and insulin resistance. Caramel color contains compounds that may affect liver health if eaten in large amounts. Ramen noodles also contain soy, egg, almond, bonito, milk, and sesame common allergens. For anyone with food sensitivities, this can trigger allergic reactions, digestive issues, or worse. Some of the ingredients are bioengineered and others are heavily processed, like modified starch, disodium phosphate, and soy lecithin. Eating these frequently can weaken your gut health, increase inflammation, raise your risk of obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. So, what's the takeaway? Instant ramen might be convenient, but it's packed with refined carbs, unhealthy fats, sugars, preservatives, MSG, and allergens. Eating it occasionally is fine, but making it a daily habit is a recipe for long-term health issues. Try swapping instant noodles for whole grain noodles, veggies, lean proteins, and natural broth. Your body will thank you. Want to eat ramen safely? Make your own version at home using fresh ingredients and avoid the chemical additives. Your heart, blood sugar, and overall health will love you for it. Like, share, and subscribe for more health tips.